Pika.
Sit. Good boy. Stay. Come on. Okay, good boy. Come on. Now sit. Sit. Good boy.
Good boys.
Stay.
Stay. Good boys. Hi everyone. I hope this works. I'm Tina, and this is S'more. He's a St. John ambulance therapy dog. We're visiting as part of the University of Saskatchewan Pause Your Stress Therapy Dog Program. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, we can't visit in person at this time, so we're doing it online. S'more and I are excited to be doing this online visit today because we miss our visits on campus, so we hope you enjoy our little video. S'more is a Great Pyrenees, and he's around 2.5 years old. We've been a therapy dog team for about 8 months now. So one of S'more's favorite activity is to eat. He will eat just about anything and everything, basically. So it's obviously very important for human survival, but it's also very important to eat healthy for human self-care too. I personally find that when I eat healthy, my body feels healthier, and that improves my overall mentality and mood. So today we're gonna do a bit of demonstration on how S'more eats healthy with some fruits and vegetables. Even though dogs should primarily be eating their nutritionally balanced dog food, a small amount of healthy treats can be good for them. The foods I have prepared today are all foods that S'more has eaten before, so I know it will not be giving him a tummy ache. Just a disclaimer, if you're feeding your dog a new food for the first time, it's recommended to give it in small amounts and wait 40 hours to observe how your dog's digestive system responds to it before giving them more. So if you're ever in doubt about what's safe to give your pet, ask your veterinarian, or there are some great online resources from the petpoisonhelpline.com website, or the asbca.org website has a good animal control department to refer to also. Joining S'more today is his little brother Blizzard, this one down here. He gets major cases of FOMO if he's not included in anything, so we're gonna have him accompany us in this vegetable eating adventure here. Blizzard, FYI, is a Husky, Great Pyrenees, Retriever, Collie mix, and he's about 2 years old. He's not a therapy dog. He is a really sweet pup, but he's just much too easily excitable. So since this is a live event, please bear with us. Hopefully the boys will behave well. Sometimes they get a little bit greedy over their foods, so they may bicker over who gets more, but fingers crossed everything goes well. Okay, so let's get started. S'more, up, sit up. Good boys. Good boys. All right, so we're gonna start with some vegetables. Here are some carrots. Good boys. Spoiler alert, they probably will eat everything that's offered to them. They're both very piggish. And then I have here some cucumbers. They're enjoying everything so far. And then we have some broccoli here. Good boys. I'm gonna try some cauliflower next. Good boys. Oh, was just making a mess on the floor over there. No, some more. Leave it. You have your own plates, more. Good boys. Okay, now we have some green beans. Good job. As you guys can see, they're clearly not picky about their snacks at all. Over here, clean up. Use the pee. With your lip. Good boy. Gotta clean your plates first. Okay. So the vegetables went well. We're gonna move on to some fruits now. No, blizzard. Okay. We got some blueberries. Blizzard, can you sit? Uh-oh, we're getting a rejection. You want blueberries? That's okay. S'more will eat whatever Blizzard doesn't eat. Between the two of them, I'd say S'more definitely is more eager to eat everything. There's a theory that he doesn't have any taste buds. Blizzard, come back. Blizzard, come here. Blizzard, come. Sorry. Blizzard has decided he doesn't want to be on camera anywhere. Blizzard, come. Blizzard, come. Blizzard, come. Come here. Good boys. Blizzard, up. Blizzard, up. Blizzard, come here. Sit. Stay. Okay. Now we have some blackberries. Blizzard, come. Oh, that's a rejection from Blizzard. And I clean up by S'more. Okay. How about some apple? Apple? You guys like apple? Yeah, apples. They love apples. Okay. Mangoes? I don't think they've ever had mango before, actually. Oh, Blizzard spat it out over there, but he picked it up and it's gone. So that's a yes. Okay. Raspberries. Good job. Okay. Strawberries. Whoa. Oh, Blizzard's working on it still. He's thinking about it. Thinks it's a little bit too tart for him. So we'll give it to S'more instead. There you go. Good job. Okay. The last, bananas. You guys want banana? Come on, Blizzard. Banana. Good job, boys. All right. They both did pretty well for their healthy snacks. I do have here a cookie each. Oh, it's pizza. That's an I Heart Puppy cookie. A cookie each for Blizzard and S'more for being such good pups for this online video. Obviously, we all know it's healthy. It's important to eat healthy, but we shouldn't have any guilty feelings or shame in treating yourself once in a while. So I'm going to reward them with these cookies for being such good boys. What's this, Blizzard? Good boys. There you go. Oh. They're busy eating down there. making a nice old mess on the carpet. Blizzard and S'more obviously have zero regrets about anything they eat because they're dogs. Doesn't matter how many times they throw up after eating grass, they never seem to regret it anyway. So let us know if you guys have any questions in the comments. We'll try to answer those. S'more's done already. Blizzard's still cleaning up the mess that he made. Wow. Let's see. Let's see some of our questions here. Timothy Wu asks, is there some S'more doesn't eat? Not much, no. He will pretty much eat everything. Yeah. Are their names reflective of their favorite food? No, I wouldn't say so. Their names are their names from the rescues that we adopted them from. S'more we got from the SPCA. Blizzard we adopted from New Hope Dog Rescue. If we were to name them reflective of favorite foods, their names would be everything pretty much. Yes, they typically eat dog food for supper. Have I fed s'mores, any s'mores before? No, I have not. That's probably a bit too high in sugar for a dog. But maybe one day we'll give him just a teeny little bit. I predict that he probably will enjoy it. Okay, they're just about done. So, s'mores objects to not getting any s'mores. It might make him a little bit sick. So, oh yes, thank you. We do have an Instagram account for Blizzard and S'more. The furry Blizzmore, Blizzard plus S'more and Blizzmore. So if you guys have Instagram, please do follow them. We do post daily because I'm quite obsessed with my dogs. No shame. All right. I think that'll be it for our video today. Thank you all very much for this. I know this is a stressful time for everyone, so I hope our video brought a little bit of joy today. Thank you to the Pause Your Stress team at the University of Saskatchewan for organizing this. We had a lot of fun. We hope to see you all very soon again. Bye. Bye. Bye.